So let's just talk about the new topic, that is zeros of a polynomial. What is the meaning of zeros of a polynomial? So what is the definition? The definition says a zero of a polynomial px is a number c such that p of c is equal to 0. So किसी भी नंबर को हम zero of a polynomial जो है वो कब कहते हैं? अगर उस नंबर को polynomial में substitute किया जाए और आंसर जो है वो 0 के इक्वल आ जाए, so such type of a number, so let us suppose I'm calling that number as c, is called as a zero of a polynomial. So let's just see an example to clarify the definition. Let us suppose I am talking about the polynomial as px is equal to 5x cube minus 2x square plus of 3x minus of 2, and I am substituting two values in it. So let us suppose I'm starting with a value as x is equal to 1. Substitute x is equal to 1 in this particular polynomial. So let us suppose we are substituting x is equal to 1 in the polynomial as p of 1, which is equal to 5 1 raised to the power 3 minus 2 1 raised to the power 2 plus of 3 of 1 minus of 2. Now let's just solve it. So let us suppose we are solving it as 5 into 1 raised to the power cube. 1 raised to the power cube is 1 again. So 1 into 5 is nothing but 5 minus of 1 raised to the power 2 is 1 again. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. Further, plus of 1 into 3 is nothing but 3 minus of 2. Now let's just add up all the values as, first of all, 5 minus of 2 is nothing but 3 plus of 3 minus of 2 is nothing but 1. So 3 plus 1 is nothing but is equal to 4. So it means that the value of p of 1 is nothing but is equal to 4, which is not is equal to 0. So any value which is not giving the value of the polynomial as is equal to 0, such type of a number is definitely not called as zeros of a polynomial. So x is equal to 1 is not a zero of a polynomial. So it is not a zero. So it is not a zero of a polynomial. Why so? Because it is not satisfying the condition as a number c is called as a zero of a polynomial only if when we will substitute c in the polynomial, so pc should be equal to 0. So let us suppose I am talking about another number, that is x is equal to 0. Now let's just substitute x is equal to 0 in this particular polynomial. So if we are substituting x is equal to 0 in this particular polynomial, so we are getting the value as p of 0, which is equal to 5 into 0 raised to the power 3 minus of 2 0 raised to the power 2 plus of 3 into 0 minus of 2. Now let's just solve it. 0 when get multiplied with any number, the answer is always 0. So this is 0, again this is 0, again this is 0 minus of 2. Again we are getting the answer as minus of 2. So it means that again p of 0 is equal to minus 2, which is not is equal to 0. So hence again this is not a zero of a polynomial. Always remember, a number is definitely called as a zero of a polynomial only if it satisfies the whole polynomial, or if when we will substitute that value in the whole polynomial, the answer should be mandatory is equal to 0. That type of a number is called as the zero of the given polynomial. So both of them are definitely not the zero of the polynomial.